Hi everyone, hope you're doing well and staying safe, and thank you for the love on the previous recipe. But in today's video we're going to be showing you how to make a prawn biryani Kerala style. This is a family recipe and this is how we usually make the biryani at home. It's always a hit and the taste is nothing but amazing. So with that, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For making the biryani, we need 2 onions. These onions have been finely sliced. 2 tomatoes. These have been chopped into small cubes. A small piece of ginger. 4 cloves of garlic. 3 green chilies. Finely chopped coriander. Mint. 4 teaspoons of chili powder. 4 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of biryani powder, raisins, cashew nuts, bay leaves, peppercorns, star anise, cloves and cinnamon sticks, coconut oil, ghee, basmati rice. Basmati rice will give you the best results, and 250 grams of prawns. For making the biryani, add 2 tablespoons of ghee to a hot wok. Once the ghee is hot, add the whole spices and saute it for about few seconds. Once done, add the washed rice to the wok and mix thoroughly. Now we will be adding about a teaspoon of salt to the rice. Make sure you give the rice a very good stir. Once done, add about 2 cups of boiling hot water to the wok. Now place a lid on top of the wok to ensure that the rice cooks well. Make sure that all the excess water is completely drained off the rice and you're cooking the rice on a low flame. Next up, take a frying pan and add about 1 tablespoon ghee. Once the ghee has heated up, we will be then adding the cashew nuts and the raisins. Make sure to fry them well, but do this on a low flame to avoid it getting burnt. Once done, transfer these fried dry fruits in a bowl and keep them aside. We will be using this as a garnish for our biryani. For making the prawns, take a frying pan, add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is heated up, add the sliced onions, followed by garlic, ginger, chopped tomatoes, and green chilies. Once the onions and tomatoes are cooked well, it's a good time to add the prawns. Make sure you stir the masala well with the prawns so that it gets evenly distributed. We will now be adding about 4 teaspoons of chili powder, 4 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 teaspoons of biryani masala. To this mixture, we will be adding about 1 to 1.5 cups of hot water. Next, we will be adding freshly squeezed lemon juice into the curry. For this, I have used about 2 medium-sized lemons. The rice is now ready and it's cooked to perfection. Once the prawns has cooked and it has a dry consistency, turn off the gas. We will now be placing the banana leaf over a low flame. This is done traditionally to give the leaf a bit of a structure so that can actually hold the biryani once the leaf is folded. But if you do not have a banana leaf, you can pretty much make the same thing using a plate. But this is just to show you how it is done traditionally in Kerala. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. It's a biryani recipe that is native to Kerala. It's also known as Pothi Biryani. Do give it a try. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of travel and food videos that are going to be coming your way. So see you in the next video.